Hello guys, this is Freddy. Welcome to the channel. So today I have decided to shift from the old ways of farming, that is fodder farming, and to the new way of fodder farming. So here we have the ordinary Napier grass. It is good, but we have a good variety called Super Napier pakchong. The difference between the ordinary Napier grass and the Super Napier pakchong is Super Napier has fast growth, uh, it is drought resistant, and the crop protein they say that it has higher, but for my case I'm planting because I will want you can cut as many times as possible, and it has fast growth. So as you can see here, I am uprooting the ordinary Napier grass as you see here, and I'm planting this. It has already started shooting, as you can see here. This is manure, and this method is called the tubukiza. We plant it using 45 degrees, and you put on manure, as you can see here. And these are the shooting. They have started coming out. Yeah, so it is a large area, as you can see here. All these is I have planted Super Napier. I'm replacing that ordinary using these. The reason why I'm doing this is I have to do proper planning because the herd is growing, the cows are increasing, and the more the cows you have, the more fodder is required to sustain those cows, and not just only fodder but quality fodder. So these I've used just tubukiza method, and I have put on a good decomposed manure, as you see here. I'm also planning to uproot, not even uprooting. I'm also going to plant here. Here you see maize because it's not doing well because we have this shade from the trees. Yeah, it is not good when it comes to maize planting. Another thing I have noted about maize, if you want to break even when you are planting maize, you have to do it large scale, not small scale, large scale. So what I'm deciding is I'm going to be planting Super Napier in all the rad that I cultivate, and I'll be sourcing uh, maize for silage, the corn for silage. I'll be sourcing, but for my case, I'll be planting Super Napier, and also I'll be sourcing the hay. Yeah, so all these area, as you see here, I'm planting Super Napier. You too can do it, guys. It is a matter of proper planning, and then you get back to the farm and you start doing what is required. So you have to see, as a dairy farmer, you have to see in 10 years time, where will I be? In 5 years time, where will I be? And as we say that you will be having one calf, one cow, one calf per year. If you have two, in the next 2 years you'll be having in the next year you'll be having four. In the next year but one you'll be having six, and in the next year but one you'll be having 10. Yeah, so it goes like that. You keep on adding and all that. So you guys just plan and do due diligence in everything that you do, in every research that you want to do, whether it is comes to fodder, breeding and all that. You have to plan ahead. So fodder is very crucial, and I keep on repeating, guys, because fodder can make you go crazy. Waking up and not knowing where your cow will eat is a headache. Yeah, so but whenever you have fodder security, that you wake up today but you have fodder that can last you for 2 years, that's what we call, that's the beauty of dairy farming. But if you are waking up but you don't know where you are going to be getting fodder, that is a hectic and it is very stressful, and you definitely going to give up. So for me, this is what I have decided to do, and I'm not yet done. I also do here. That's why I have not weeded all these area. So I'll be digging some holes, and I'll be putting cuttings. These are the cutting of Super Napier. A good friend of mine, I have bought a few. So I'm going to be cutting those, and I'll be planting all these sections. in 3 years, not in 3 years time, in 3 weeks, 3 months time, I'll come back here and I'll be showing you exactly what has gone on, what has already, where the stage at where they are. Yeah. So you start and you just let nature take its course. Yeah. Let nature take its course. So from this ordinary to super napier, and it is doable, guys. I'm doing this and I like doing it practically so that you can see. I already did videos on how to plant super napier, and I have done many videos about super napier. So if you have not watched, just go to my YouTube channel, Fred Dairy Farm, and you will see all those videos. And I give a detailed, well explained videos so that everybody, even if you are new to dairy farming, you can learn one or two things. So even this section, I'm going to dig holes and I'm going to be planting these super napier cuttings that you can see here. So it is these are one section of the way I'm cultivating, and also the other section, let me show you. Let me take you to the other section. These are just maize plantation. This for silage, and we did with you guys on. We did with you. I showed you all this from planting until this far. Yeah, look at all that. This is for silage. This is for silage, and also in this section of farm, you open here. Okay, now look at these. This is also ordinary Napier grass, and this one is Super Napier. As you can see, it is has already started sprouting out. Yeah, so this is a beauty of farming. Yeah, so this is also Super Napier, but this one is ordinary. I want to replace all ordinary Napier grasses with Super Napier. Yeah, and I've told you the reasons as to why. This is also Super Napier. This side, this section is all Super Napier, as you can see, but that part is uh, ordinary Napier grass. So guys, start doing it as early as you can. Yeah, if you are working, if you have a dream to become a dairy farmer, just start from scratch. Yeah, the right time to start is now. You don't have to wait till you get money, you do this, you do that. No, just start right away. Whether it is you start with fodder before you even buy a cow, you construct a cow shed and do that. Yeah, and when things get better, because things will, you just do it throughout. Yeah, you do it as a career. Dairy farming is a lifestyle. For those who have been asking, dairy farming is a lifestyle. Yeah, it is not one time thing, it is a lifestyle. You wake up, you just I love this life. Yeah, where you wake up each and every day, you all you think about is cows, cows, cows. One thing, it keeps you busy from going spending all money, doing having bad company. It makes your life even meaningful. Yeah, as in, if that you have that passion. Not all people have passion for farming or for dairy cows, but if you have that passion, just stick to it. Make sure that dreams is come to reality, and the way you do it, by just planning. You start planning day in day out. You plan, you do all that, but for this section was about fodder. Yeah, talk to other farmers, run to on what you can do. Yeah, so I have a friend who is selling Napier grass cutting just at 20 bob. If you're around Kenya, please you can contact me and we can organize how they can reach you. Yeah, and they appear. So I'm saying this because I've already planted and have already bought cuttings from him, so I know they are genuine Super Napier. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching till this far, and I hope you keep doing what you do. One day, one time, you will reach where you always dream of. So for me, it's just keeping encouraging you that anything is possible, anything is doable. Look at this, anything is doable. I planted these what are the results. So do your work and let nature take its course. Yeah. And remember, these are heavy feeders. As you see, you have to put on manure. Put on manure. And to make it good, I'll be coming with maize, and on at the center I'll be planting maize. That is also part of a fodder. Yeah. So thank you for watching till this far. And if this channel is meaningful or it is enlightening you, just consider subscribing, like the video, comment, share, and let's grow together. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful time.